Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. My husband loves to have sushi parties, but there's a problem. His wife doesn't like sushi. But we found these soy wraps, and these are perfect for me because the whole reason I don't like sushi is because of seaweed. So this has been the perfect alternative for me to use when we make sushi. We do find that they work well as far as keeping the sushi roll together. There's not a lot of flavor in these, maybe a hint of soy, but it's very mild. It blends well with all different types of sushi. You get 20 sheets in a pack. They're very thin and it sticks to itself really well, so when you're rolling it up, it's not coming undone. So if you do like to make sushi, I think this is a great alternative to seaweed wraps, maybe if you don't like them or you just want to try something different. I'm thrilled now that I can enjoy sushi along with my husband because there's no seaweed, and that's my point of view.